about Apple's weather app? Do we think that Apple decided to set up weather monitoring stations around the world? That's a really expensive endeavor, and if it was super critical to Apple's business model, then maybe, sure, we could see that happening. But there are already services out there that meticulously collect global weather data, services like weather.com. So if weather.com creates an API through which anybody can access their data, but only in the ways that weather.com allows, then Apple could just use that API to populate their weather app. So, how do APIs actually work? Let's use the example of web APIs, which are the type of APIs that deliver client requests and return responses via JSON or XML, usually over the internet. Each request and response cycle is an API call. A request typically consists of a server endpoint URL and a request method, usually through HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The request method indicates the desired API action. The HTTP response contains a status code, a header, and a response body. The response body varies depending on the request, and it could be the server resource a client needs to access or any